Pocket Dollhouse tutorial. Let's make a customizable pocket dollhouse. We paint the edges with an iridescent shimmer mica for added sparkle. Mix the epoxy resin of your choice with a little pigment and mix until combined. Pour the epoxy in the mold. We do just the first layer to have a different background color. Do the hinge pieces this same color. Once the resin is at a gel stage, mix and pour your second color. Once fully cured, demold. Glue or UV resin the hinge into place. Glue or UV resin the magnets into place. Make sure they are oriented so stick together, or the lid won't close. Glue or UV resin the hinge to the sides, completing the hinge. Glue or UV resin the hinge to the sides, completing the hinge. Make sure to only put glue on the lower area. You want the top of the heart to be able to move freely to open. Add on any logos or decorations to the outside. Use colored UV resin to fill in the tiny details with a toothpick. Cure fully between each color. Glue down the furniture for a permanent design, or leave loose for an interactive toy. Use stickers, findings, and even printed details to customize your dollhouse. We can't wait to see what themes you make.